Well, hi, everyone. I hope you're having a great start to your day. So we are in week 10. We are just finishing up our midterm here. So let's share the screen and we will get started. All right. So week 10 is about body composition, which is the last of the health-related fitness components that we haven't gone over yet. So you'll have an overview, a PowerPoint, a quiz. So make sure you go through the PowerPoint before your quiz. That should help you on it. And then we go through some discussions and assignments. So the first discussion is body image. And this one is actually a discussion that won't be due until the end of the semester, and it's an extra credit discussion. This talks about, has a video, and it'll talk about body image and your thoughts about it. Okay, but what's due this week, society and body image. So I'll go ahead and open that one up. And you're going to be just adding to this page. Okay, so you're going to answer a question first. Why do you think eating disorders are on the rise for both men and women? Okay, and there's an example of what I will post. And then you're going to search the internet and find a photo that reflects how social media has shaped society's thinking. So, using Photoshop, using different filters, those kinds of things. And think about the following issues. What is the reality behind the photos? So if you look at the photo I shared, you see the before and after. What's the reality behind these photos? She's equally beautiful in both. But how does a photo like this affect our thinking about ourselves and body image? And how do you think media has shaped your thinking about how you look and how you feel? And then the last question, what do you think as a society we can do to change how photos like this create perceptions of ourselves? And so that'll be part of a page that you'll add your thoughts to. All right, and then going forward, go back here. Actually, I'll just click next on the bottom. Okay. Next here, we're going to look at understanding body composition. And so you're going to look at understanding calories. So what you're going to do is watch TV or listen to the radio and count how many times you hear a commercial for body weight or calorie counting or something to do with weight loss. Okay, and then you're going to contribute to that discussion. All right, and then as always, you're going to submit your initial post on Thursday and then make sure that you respond to 2 classmates by Sunday, okay? And then we're going into a FIT principle submission. So you're going to create your own FIT principle workout, okay? And remember, FIT principle is frequency, intensity, time, and type. So how often you exercise, how hard you exercise, how long you exercise for, and the types of exercise you do. Okay, so there's the overview. There's some directions as far as what you need to have within that submission. Okay, and then I'll give you 2 examples here of submission, and then there's one more example down here by Dr. Hibbert. Okay, so it kind of shows you what we're looking for as far as a FIT principle formula. Okay, and then there's directions on how to submit, and your rubric is down below. All right, and we'll click next here. Okay, and then this is just an overview to what's coming up in the next couple of modules. Okay, so you're going to be creating a FitnessPal account. So if you don't have MyFitnessPal, it is an app. You can put it on your phone. You can also look it up on your computer. And when you print reports, you have to do that through your computer. So set up the app, set up your password and all those things, and then go to your computer and check it out as well. It's myfitnesspal.com on the computer. All right, and this video is directions on how to set up your account and then also what to do with MyFitnessPal. So MyFitnessPal is a calorie tracker basically, and it does a lot more than just calories. It'll tell you macros, micros, all these other things. So you can kind of check it out and see what you think. I use it myself. And it's pretty helpful. So you'll set it up to your body weight goals, how much you want to lose or what you want to gain, those types of things. All right. So that's basically the overview of body composition. I'll stop sharing. And as usual, if you have any questions or just need to talk about an assignment, make sure that you email me or use Remind and also office hours. All right. Take care and we'll talk soon. Have a great day and a great week.